What's up, guys? Welcome back to Lion Mark TV. Mark here with another exciting, delighting, and much interesting video here on the channel. We all know that in every part of the world, even wherever you are watching this video right now, you need network to power your phone to be able to access the internet on everything we do. Now, Obi Cubana actually supported this particular young, amazing, talented guys who created another means of using the internet, using data, and at the same time making money from the data which you consume yourself. Let me not say too much. I'll allow you guys watch and hear from the young talents. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, drop a comment below.
Right. Okay, I think the outside.
Okay, good. Okay, and then good. All right.
Okay, thank you.
Is it clear now? Can you hear us very well?
Is it clear now?
Okay, very good. They can hear us now.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Yeah, so like I said, we have over 500 devices in different parts of the world, and and people in different parts of the world who are using these devices are actually earning money with them. So before now, when you have your data, right, when you recharge or you subscribe, what happens is that you just consume that data, you consume that internet. It doesn't bring anything back. But with Ycrypt, when you share your data, when you use that existing data, you're able to get these tokens, right? And these tokens worth money. And you're able to also make money by reselling the data. So you can charge people for it. Another thing it helps you do is you can now control the amount of data people use. So say, for example, you buy 100 gigabytes of data, and maybe anytime you buy it, it just finishes immediately. With Ycrypt, that problem has been solved. You can actually allocate data. You can tell this person, hey, Emeka, this is your data. BC, this is your data. Give them 5 gig, and then they can use it. That way, people will not steal your data or consume more than you want them to consume. Right? Okay. So another very good thing about Ycrypt, right, is you can actually see all the devices that
Okay. Send us sound again. Go ahead.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah.
Maybe I can hold.
Okay, hold this one.
Yeah. I don't know if you can hear us. Can you hear us now?
Oh shit. Okay.
Now I can hear you. Okay, they said they can hear. Okay, right. Okay, great.
All right.
Yeah. Okay, so like I was saying, right, there are two ways you can actually, with our devices, right, there are two ways you can make money. One, you can charge the people around you. So you can tell them, you can set on your device that someone can pay you maybe 200 naira per gig or 300 naira per gig. Once they connect, they actually start to pay you. They can top up their wallet, and then the money leaves from their wallet in real time. Now, the second way you can make money is just by using the internet, and then you mine our tokens. So those tokens actually worth money. We've seen people earn things like from like $20, $100, $150 in a week.
Oh wow!
Yeah, so you can even.
So that means in 5 weeks now.
There are people who have covered. Already. Yeah, exactly. Even in less.
Everything.
So there are people who have actually made more back the money. In less than 5 weeks.
Now, like,
exactly, making more money on top. Exactly. Profit, right? Exactly. So we encourage people to be able to see the value in what we have made. With Ycrypt, your internet, your regular data that you have can now actually generate revenue for you, passive income. Okay. I know a lot of people might feel like, I know a lot of us like a wolf, but it's not as if you...
We did that more.
Yeah, but it's not as if you just use the money to... Because a lot of people are like, maybe they want to buy Benz. No, it's not like you just buy, but then you're making money back from your regular data. Because people before now, they will buy 10 gig. Okay. It just finishes. Okay. But with Ycrypt, when you're using our device, right? And when you bought the device, you stake. Once you start to use the device, you realize that every Friday you see money that you have earned. You earn money. And the good thing is, the token price, even at this point, right, where people are earning this, is even like it's not so high. But you know, in future, with all the things that we're doing, with all the growth and everything, you know, people can estimate that hey, there'll be higher demand for the tokens, because even to buy the device, you use the tokens to buy it, and you can get it from the app, which creates a lot of value for those tokens. Yes, so we're really excited about what we have created. And I think the last thing I was saying, you know, before we went live on Facebook, was that we are open to working with resellers, you know, people who wholesalers and all that, and they have a much better discount, right? Yeah, than the retail price. And we're also going to be giving them samples of the devices, so they can even start to, you know, make money from it and see that it actually works. Because one thing that we know here, because of our environment, maybe people promise a lot of things, right? But now we are happy to tell you that yes, you can have a sample as a wholesaler, as a verified distributor, and you can see it and use it, and then, you know, you'll be the one to give us feedback to now say, okay, we are ready to do this. Yeah, so we're very excited, I mean, to be here today with Obi, and yeah, it's been really great having him host us.
So the whole idea, I mean, like guys, like I keep saying, you can follow them at I just pinned it again, follow at White Network. I mean, that's what I keep saying here is about bringing up our youths, making them to use their God-given talent positively. Okay, they've done something amazing, and I've pasted the handle, and they were going to be reposting this in the coming days, in the coming weeks and months. We'll be talking about this White Network, what they do, what they are doing, and then it's an opportunity for you guys to actually key in. It's about technology. We're talking about that. We can't depend on only importation, and they're amazing. Agriculture, amazing. Entertainment, amazing. Real estate, amazing. But the future is tech. No doubt about that. All these Bezos and Musk, they don't do passos
At all.
the same brain we carry. So we will get there. We will surpass them. Okay? We will build our own, and then we'll be proud of it to use it. We use it to save life, use it to track a lot of things, because it comes with a lot. Whatever your ideas, whatever your field is, I mean, this is an amazing platform. Bring it on once it's proven that it's what can be helpful to humans and humanity. We bring it to this platform, and then we'll talk about it. I think I need to bring up somebody. So that we can actually ask your questions. Don't come and tell me you want to paste as a here, maybe as a this is about technology. I mean, please request, and I'll bring you up here so that you can ask him directly. Conceptual, David. Okay, let's see. Well, too much. Okay, so okay. Let me see. Let's see. Okay. Let me see. So anybody request, we can bring you up here, and you can ask your questions, you can make your input, you can talk about your observation, whatever it is, okay? But it's about youth empowerment. It's about the growth of the average Nigerian and African mind, and for you to be able to transcend from one point to the other, for you to be visible, for people to see what you are, what you do, what you represent, what you've added to aid humanity, and to make life easier for the world. Okay, so if you follow them at White Network, is there. You can see the followers rising, so you can ask questions and DM. Keep the base.
They said the sound is off. I think it's because your hand.
Oh, okay, it's off again. Sorry. Is it up now? Are we good now? Are we good now? The sound. Sorry, guys. Sorry. Okay. Can you hear me now? Can you hear me? Okay. Wow. Can you hear me now? I've tried to on the volume and off it. Audio, can you hear me? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Just go say now. There's a trials from village up and down today. It's kind of like when we done the hype since. Okay, my people there can hear us while I'm working on this one. Can you hear me now? Can you hear me? Oh wow. You can hear us? Okay.
Yeah, they can hear us.
Okay, they can hear this one. So you can be talking to them about this one while I'm rectifying this one. Okay, tell them about it. Show them the spider. No, they've not seen the spider.
Okay, yeah. Yeah, so I think I'll just go ahead since you can hear me here. So basically we have two devices. I've seen people asking about the prices, right? So we have two devices. One is the links, and then we have the spider, right? So the links, the price of the links is $500, and then the price of the spider is $750. Now I mentioned that for wholesalers or distributors, you buy from 10 devices and above, and then we have like a discount. You can reach out to us on our live chat. We have connections with you because we want people to be able to use these devices as much as possible, right? And then we want it to be everywhere. We want them to be able to see the value it can actually create for them. Okay, so we have the devices here, and we can ship to for free in Enugu. We can ship for free in Lagos, right? So our office is here in Enugu. We also have an office in Okolie in Lagos. Yeah, so let me see. Okay, they say they can hear us. Yeah. Okay, thank you. Yeah. So yeah, so with YCrypt, like I said initially, with YCrypt, you can actually share your data, right, and make money while you share your data. And two ways you can make money is you can actually charge people when they connect to your internet. So you can set a billing rate on this device. We have a mobile app on Google Play Store. Okay, see, someone is saying show as well. This is the device, YCrypt. We have a mobile app. It's on Google Play Store and iOS App Store. You can download that mobile app. When you download the mobile app, you can actually buy the device from the mobile app. That's one. Then you can also, that's the spider, that's the links, this is the spider. So the spider is more of, for homes or offices, because the spider can connect up to 70 people. Wow. The links can connect up to 50 people. So these are the things that even make it like more expensive. Your regular, maybe MiFi, will not even connect, I think maximum of 10 or 20 people, but it would even go up. But with YCrypt,
I said that this is the first,
only
right now in the world.
YCrypt, this is actually the first device in the world to do this. There is no competition in the world. This is the first device that you can connect with connect people and they pay you in real time, or you can actually mine our tokens and earn money in real time. We've also seen people who have earned money, who have earned, let's say, $20 a week, $50, $100, and it's really interesting because we are even still at very, very early stages, right? So this device is more of an asset than a liability. And like I said, you can use it anywhere in the world again. So you can even take the device to Ghana. You can take it to Europe. You can take it to China, anywhere. You just connect the SIM card, or you connect. It has the wireless connection, and you just connect and you move. That was what makes it really, really interesting. So let's say I'm here and I'm going to the UK. It can work. We have users in the UK already, right? We have people in Poland. We have people in the UAE, in Dubai. It works.
So in other words, we are global.
We are global, and we have not launched. Though.
No, we've not launched.
We've not launched.
So I'm telling them, okay. Yeah. So this is the first of this interactive session.
Yeah.
Next week Sunday, I'm gonna go live directly with his own phone because we'll be on different locations. But you have to keep educating you people. You have to keep telling you about this until it enters, like the Gospel of Matthew. Okay? Yeah. So it's about making Nigeria proud by Nigerians, young Nigerians. Like I've said, this platform is to promote positivity, young ones. Okay? Whatever your innovations are, whatever you've done, we're going to send to I'm going to paste this and put all the details. And by tomorrow, I want to get whatever traction I get, whatever activities I get, will determine what we're going to do next week. But we'll give talking about this. I told you guys before we started with when we said we wanted somebody to do a telephone. It's about technology, but out of I forgot that there are a lot of things that have to do with technology. So my guy, he came up and said, see, that this wonderful device, the telephone is almost at the finishing point right now. We're going to launch it very soon, and we're going to launch this one with very big bang. We're going to create a hub where people like this who have that God-given intelligence and everything, we also share the gift to people. Okay? Like, we are not here to come and start doing giveaway. But maybe along the line, depending on how God touches my mind, I can buy in my capacity as Obi Cubana and bless some people online. This is Mr. Ugochukwu. Is it engineer or what are you calling you, Mr.?
I know, so I really don't mind the titles. I'm fine with Ugochukwu.
Okay,
Yeah,
so this is
this is Ugochukwu.
Around and the team, and I'm sure that by next time we get everybody ready. You see some of the great faces and brains behind it. We know they're not social media people, so we don't want to distract them. Okay, and then some of these people will start sending them DM. No, they are here to work, to make life easier, communication easier, everything easier for me and you. For today, this is where we end today's live. Next week we will announce the time we will do it, and then we'll let you guys know. For now, we love you guys. We are bringing you good things from the house of White Crypt. White Crypt. White Crypt. This is the links. This is the spider. Okay. So go to my Facebook page, and I'm gonna pin it, and then you see every information, phone number, email, everything. Please just go there strictly for business, not to go and say people are in hospital or this one. It's not for that. Thank you so very much. Have an amazing week.
Thank you guys. Have a good week ahead.
All right. Bye guys.